Alright, we got our second coat of mud here, and I already sanded it. Everything's nice and smooth. I'm going to prep it real quick for some texture. Try not to get this stuff all over, but a little messy. Don't want it on the frame. We got it taped off. Got some wall texture here, and it's actually an orange peel. Just going to spray it on. So this stuff dries pretty quick. So you can see there's some larger chunks in there, but once this dries, we'll just super light sand it, and it'll blend right in with the texture, paint it. You won't even be able to tell. So that's it. I don't know, maybe I'll show you when it's painted. I think I'll paint it this afternoon. Alright, here it is. All finished. Nice and smooth. You can't even tell it was ever repaired. Hey, thanks for watching. Click the like button, subscribe. Thank you.